like they've done this before.
I can't help but laugh. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Who is ready for some blown nitro method?